Let me give y'all an inside look of the unboxing. This is what comes in your box. It has a power adapter, a cord, the Dreadlock machine, and also different little attachments that are included in the box as well. It comes with crochet needles, different attachments, different size adapter pieces that you can put on the machine based on what size locks you wish to make and create. So they have small 0.4 centimeter, they have 0.6 millimeter, and also a 0.8. So that's for the larger locks. Now the power adapter here, it has an adjustment piece so you can choose how fast you want it to go, the speed that you need it to go, and you can adjust it. So I think that is an amazing part of this whole machine. So you basically can customize it to do what you need it to do, how you need to do it, and it's not uncomfortable at all. As you can see, this is handheld, it's automatic. You just press the silver button at the top, and you can see that inside of the machine are two crochet hooks. It's a double prong crochet hook inside of the machine. It is so not heavy. It's comfortable to hold and easy to use. This is how it works. So I'm going to show you guys how to use it as a handheld device first, and then I'm going to show you how to use it as a stationary device. It is not heavy at all. It is made of metal, as I stated, but it is not uncomfortably heavy. So you can use it by holding it in your hand and maneuvering the hair through the hole, or you can set it up and just maneuver the hair through the hole, depending on how you feel comfortable. And that's another thing that I love about the machine, because you can pretty much use it how you feel comfortable and you'll still get the same awesome results. So I use the needle to pull the hair through. This is human hair. And then to start it, you just hit the silver button at the top. If you tap on it, it'll go on and off. But then if you hold it down, then it'll go continuously. And then that'll free up your other hand so that you can slide it through and maneuver the hair in a circular motion so that it can create the lock flawlessly. I am holding it with my right hand, and this is the release button. So if the hair gets stuck inside the hole with the crochet needles in there, you can pull the release button on the back and it frees it up, and it's very easy to pull right through after that. So the machine can warm up if you hold it in one spot for too long. So you constantly have to move the hair and turn it in a circular motion so that it can create the lock perfectly and flawlessly.